is that you kind of look like Sam Bankman-Fried. I'm not gonna lie. Like you're fuzzy haired and like brown face. Like you're kind of scary.
Come on,
bro. Yo, fuck that guy, bro. Fuck Sam, bro. He's fucking fuck that guy.
Why?
He's a fucking bitch.
Can you explain?
Bro, he's just a scammer, bro. Fuck that guy. He's a bitch.
Oh God, he's a scammer.
He's just a scammer. Why?
Bro.
Honest question.
Finally, deck screen is fixed. Nice one.
Yeah, I emailed them. Okay, it's fixed. All right, we got a new message. Hello, did you create the token? If so, do you have access to the deployer wallet? Yes, I do.
Oh my gosh, that's so bullish.
Okay, how do I send them the?
I promise you, if you go on the Twitter Spaces right now, this is gonna kick a cent. All the FUD is clearing up. Deck screen is up.
Hey Jacob, hey Jacob, Ages. You are welcome. Okay.
Yo, we're live right now, bro.
I called you about this token, about this beautiful.
Yo,
you really did.
Yo. Someone says, "Can you address the feud?" What does that mean, bro?
The FUD. It's FUD.
Yo,
fear, uncertainty, and doubt, which basically just means bad news. Yo, that's all it is.
Bro, fuck those people, man. They're just spreading.
Don't even address them. Go live on Twitter right now. So even address them.
Go ahead. You have a brilliant future, bro.
Yo, I fuck with Kyle Rich so much, bro.
You have a brilliant future. You have a brilliant present, actually.
Yo, bro. There's some Chinese scammers right now, bro.
No. Don't reply these guys. Never.
No.
Please.
Yo, report those people, bro.
Hello. Can we proceed? Please?
Hi, go on Twitter right now. Twitter Live. People really want.
Dude, I think we're pushing almost 800 people.
Twitter.
It would appear the Jeets are still in.
No, but keep here.
Yeah, you can hear them
Twitter,
talking about Twitter. And...
This is what I'm talking about. The volume's picking up again. Finally, man. Let the fucking night everyone just chill and let's send this shit.
This guy's lit.
Okay, literally. Do you make the deploy it? You deploy it?
Yeah. So now I'm in contact with the with Deck Screener. I think they cleared it up. I don't know because Deck Screener is complicated as hell. So I don't know what's going on right now.
No.
So
are you on Spaces yet?
Literally, Deck Screener is to make some advertisement. Wait.
Yo, Max on Twitter just said thoughts on Zeta. So there is no Zeta coin. There is no Zeta nothing as of now. We might do it in the future, but I'll let you know. So just keep.
Yes. Do you have a vision of future so good, like to change the world? Actually,
the most important things that
I'm not joking.
One of the most important functionalities that we're thinking about right now is how you can literally give one prompt to a swarm and it will build an entire company out of that. So if you say, hey, I want to build an AI product for people who go to gyms to build like better workouts, it will literally build the whole
product. That's really possible.
It would build the whole product. It would do all the marketing, do all the sales, do all the like. It's a full AI company. That'll probably be the most important functionality that we work on, because you would be essentially able to like build an entire company in just one click.
But if it's be so easy, to do, like, oh, one click, I will be a millionaire tomorrow.
So apparently the Deck Screener, the only thing that got hijacked was the fake Twitter. But the actual contract address, I just checked it again. It's the same one I thought was a rug. It's not. It's the same one that is like 40 million market cap. That's funny.
Yeah. That's fun.
Oh, Deck Screener took down the Twitter from the website. I see. Because you're in the process of getting that shit fixed. Yeah, okay, there's no Twitter on it. It's just website right now. The website is just Pump Fun. You might want the website to redirect to Agora Labs.
It will, dude. Just wait.
Yeah.
I have a question. Do you know something else to work around the token, around the ecosystem of swarms?
Yeah, so that's why we're essentially trying to build like an agentic economy and try to make this a little bit more open and decentralized. So as of right now, like, well, we have over 150 million agents running 24/7 across all of our users, but they're mostly private. So we're going to start focusing now on building a very public marketplace where you can essentially like, um, have like millions of agents and you can query them, kind of like kind of like a massive search engine for agents, and then you would be able to like publish your own agent or even have your agent like make money for you by completing jobs and operations. So that was kind of like the initial goal with all of this.
Nice, genius.
Have you gone live on Twitter yet?
I am live on Twitter.
Genius.
Oh,
I will-
can you
I
post
will
the
build-
Spaces link? Because I don't see it. I didn't get a notification on Twitter.
But I need to take your API. Or can I use another? Like Olama.
Spaces. I'm gonna
Gemini.
search for Swarm. I don't see it on. Oh no, that's different.
AT. Or listen.
Yo,
Can I build my own agent right now
yeah, go ahead.
in Rust or Python?
Just Python for now.
Just Python. Okay.
It hasn't ported to Rust yet,
Let-
bro.
let me
That's
make
in the
a fork.
pipeline.
Okay. Let me make a fork.
He is live on Twitter. I don't know what the link is though. Like,
Yeah, how
oh,
can I send
okay, right.
this?
They're not in the VC. He is live. He's
Oh my
kidding
gosh,
right now.
that's impressive.
Oh, there it is. Yo,
Yes,
put that in the
I
announcement.
have
if you
I have
are gonna
OpenAI.
maybe a swarm, bro.
I have API. I have my own API of OpenAI.
Hey, Dev,
Bro.
we're gonna have to switch
What's
you to
happening?
Zen now, dude. You're gonna have to switch to Zen.
Hey
Here,
Dev, do you need our support, bro?
Yo, if you honestly want to support us, please star and fork, and even if you want, contribute to the main Swarm's GitHub. Okay, this is where all the functionality is,
Sure.
and our economy is essentially going to be grounded on the reliability of the actual Swarm's framework. So if you want to support, please give us a star and share
Done,
the GitHub.
done. Already done.
The
Already
GitHub
done.
is the most important thing.
Can you address the
okay.
Reddit FUD again, or like the really
Literally,
nasty things that they said?
how can I share?
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. So in this Reddit thread, basically, again, like people are really upset. Like the people who write papers. So what I do is what I've been doing for the past couple of years is I take research papers that have no code. Like people just release a paper with no code, and I make them open source. I try to implement them to the best of my ability and put them on my GitHub. And that's why if you go to my GitHub, I have hundreds of repos. Some of them are functional, some of them are not functional. It's a community effort. The whole idea was to make this a community effort because I can't build thousands of models, even though I already did. And the entire reason of this Discord right now, the reason why we're in this Discord was to essentially like provide like a community of people that wanted to implement AI research papers and make them very easily accessible and open. And that's
Nice.
why people are very upset at us right now, is because we take a paper that they probably spend millions of dollars on and they want to keep it for themselves. They don't want it to be open, and then we just open source it. And yeah, that's essentially that's why that happened.
Yes. Can I make $1,000 with it?
What?
1,000 tomorrow. Like, look, you literally, the English it's not my first language, but I need to say you are a genius, bro. You have
So someone's asked me right now.
big
What was
principle, bring principles.
someone just asked me what was my first AI agent. So my first agent was honestly trying to like get GPT-3 to try and implement PyTorch papers. So like papers in PyTorch. So I was trying to take a research paper that had no code, and I was trying to implement it in a PyTorch so that I could actually train the model and use it myself. And that's kind of like I mostly use ChatGPT in the beginning to try and implement papers, like understand the math behind them, the algorithms behind them, and like actually try to like make it open source and easily accessible.
Like in GitHub?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Yes, I'm literally starting to build my own AI agent with PR repo.
Yeah.
Okay, I will code in Python now. A little bit in Python. Oh,
Can
my
I
God.
make
Can
a
I
swarm
put...
of AI agents to get more matches on Tinder?
Yeah, you could actually.
Yeah, that's possible. Anything is possible.
Bro,
I'm scared I'll get like a swarm of AI Tinder matches, bro. This is scary.
What is this guy, bro? Yo, this guy is saying I look like, yo, don't ever disrespect me again with this fucking Sam Bankman.
He's my friend.
Bro.
Jacob is my friend.
Yo, what the hell is this, man? This is crazy,
bro. You're gonna have to change up your hairstyle. Like go bald, okay? Look like Jeff Bezos, next Bezos, bro.
Yeah,
this is gonna get memed so hard.
No, bro, fucking hair,
yo,
bro.
okay, so people in Twitter right now, people in Twitter right now, there is no Zeta coin, there is no TOT coin. These are all fake. Swarms is the fucking coin. You understand? That is the future. Everything else is fake.
Yes.
They're curious about your previous coin, the
32 million again.
There's no previous coin,
dude. Okay.
Oh, what?
Bro,
I have.
Bro.
There's no coin.
My God, I have $100 to invest on it.
Bro, that's okay, man. Just that's all right, man.
Like how you said. You
Yeah,
didn't even go do your own research, not financial advice. You just said that's okay. Man's just so PR safe.
Dude,
it's
I don't
not
know.
a financial advice.
Yo, I have no idea what's going on right now, bro. I want you guys to understand. None of this shit was planned, bro. I was having dinner, I was having phone, and then I have fucking 50 motherfuckers fucking Discord, all like fucking screaming at me saying, like, bro. I don't know what's going on, man. But I'm here. I'm here right now. You see
because
me?
You deserve it. You deserve it. You deserve it.
Thank you,
I hope someone on Twitter is like recording and gonna make clips because I don't know if every live gets recorded on Twitter.
Yes.
Because I know
please,
Twitch doesn't do that.
Somebody make clips, please. I'm so busy right now.
Yeah, there is no other coin.
No other coin, bro.
There's no another.
Go to Swarm. Okay, let me put this swarms.world/swarm economy. You understand? Swarm economy. That
yes.
That is the only link. That is the only address. There is nothing else.
Everything gosh.
Everything else is fake. Everything else is propaganda.
Like Swarm's economy, agentic economy. Do you want to replace the capitalism?
No, capitalism is good.
Yes. Just to okay.
Bro, I got a fucking headache, man. I need to take some mushrooms.
You need some shrooms, bro?
No, not like
quick. You use the AI agents to find you the best shrooms.
Not psychoactive mushrooms, okay? I meant like
makes that very flavor.
I mean like
wait, mushroom gummies?
Yes.
Are you American?
Bro, yo soy cubano, papi, ya tú sabes.
Ah, tú eres cubano.
Yeah.
No creo que tú eres cubano. Yo hablo español también.
Yo soy de Miami, Bibo.
Ah, pero tú hablas español.
Sí, sí, sí.
Oh, it's Spanish.
Oh, yo tengo muchos amigos cubanos también, pero español es segunda lengua actualmente.
Yo, if you guys want to like actually boost your IQ,
Yes.
go buy this. This shit
That's
is crazy.
omega-3.
Is that
3?
financial advice? Start buying these mushroom gummies.
I need to
Bro.
make. I need to do
yo,
one
this-
Mensa test, one Mensa exam.
Yo,
I need to boost my
picture. Yo,
IQ.
take a picture of this, bro. Get you some of these.
Okay.
Your Twitter space right now. Your
What is that?
reflected image.
All right. One person at a time. Order in the court.
Okay. Shut up, me. Oh my God, it's an honor to know you, Mr. Key. To be honest, that's so crazy. What is that? Joseph, are you sleeping?
Yo, I'm talking to desk screener right now.
Okay.
Everything is good, bro.
What do you want to?
Just go to the link that I
Yes.
sent.
Okay. Where? General? Oh, in general, right?
I'll tell you right now, Kai, you may not be
This
in it
guy-
for money or not solely, but a lot of people right now are paying attention just to make money.
Oh my
That's why most of the
gosh,
questions
a
are
lot of
asking about
people.
tokens.
Bro, if you want to make money,
Please.
if you want to make money, agents are the agents are going to have the vast majority of money in 1 to 2 years. There will be at least 100 agents for every one human being. You understand?
One to
Can
two.
I make?
Wait, what?
Yes.
Holy shit, bro.
2 years. Yes, I got it. Like,
Bro,
literally in my pocket.
Yo, I'm not
Yeah?
selling, bro. I will never sell swarms. Never. Don't
Okay,
ever.
what is
ever-
your thoughts? Okay, I'll let you finish.
Do
Sorry.
not ever disrespect me like that again, bro.
Oh my gosh. It's unique opportunity, right?
Bro, fuck 100 million, bro. We're gonna go to 100 billion.
Yes,
Fuck
that
Ethereum.
is.
Fuck Bitcoin.
That's it.
Holy shit.
Fuck those motherfuckers.
Hey, come on. What is that?
All right, bro.
They're
my
telling you to
God, how
lock
can I
your
buy it?
tokens if you're actually never gonna sell them. Like put it into a smart contract and lock them.
All right, bro. We need order in the court, man.
Oh, sorry. I'm just, this dad just said is like we're going to go to 100 billion market cap. Like, what? Oh my god, bro. We're gonna go to 100 billion. We're gonna go.
The Discord voice chat is capped at to 25 due to Discord's limitations. I know. You see, the thing though, if we go to the auditorium, people can ask me questions.
We're gonna go to 100 billion. You can select them, so it's basically Twitter Spaces but on Discord. They can raise their hand and you bring them up. That's how it is. It's designed to be like that. It's like midnight over here, bro. Well, unless you were asking him. I have no idea. I heard something about Miami.
I'm from Miami.
Yeah.
I'm in California now.
Oh, shit, bro. Where you at? Dox yourself right now.
San Francisco.
Tenderloin?
Hell, yo, bro. No, not not near Tenderloin.
Okay, good.
Are you from SF? You're definitely from SF if you know Tenderloin.
No, I'm not from SF, but I know about it. I'm in the Bay as well. I'm actually near Cupertino.
We're gonna
cool.
go 100 billion.
Because the dev just doxed himself. He said he's in San Francisco. The thing is, like, honey, you don't have to worry about doxing yourself if you live in a big ass city. Like, you tell
Bro.
people, "Oh, I'm from LA." Where the fuck are they
Bro.
gonna find you?
Bro, I don't give a fuck, bro. I'm from the fucking hood. I don't give
From
a
the
fuck.
hood, he said. God damn.
Someone fucks with me, bro. I'll boom that motherfucker, bro.
Wait, is Twitter Live different from Twitter Spaces? Oh, I think it is. Yeah.
Swarms dev is fucking hilarious.
Yo, what are we at right now, bro? Let me check this shit, bro.
You are at 8,000 views on Twitter Live, which is apparently not
Yo,
Spaces. I don't think this will get recorded.
Yo, we're at 34 million market cap. Yo, if anybody sells and they publicly talk about it, shame those motherfuckers, bro. Put them on public display. I don't give a fuck who they are. Those motherfuckers are gonna go to jail. Do
They
not
wanted
ever
you
sell.
to lock your tokens if you really weren't going to sell. Like, you have to
Bro.
put on a smart contract.
Bro. I'm never selling, dog. Never. I don't give a shit. Yo, someone just called me Benny Blanco, bro. Yo, a girl called me that today, man. Don't please keep it AI related.
Don, please stop interrupting with silly questions.
Yeah, bro. Yo, if you want to try swarms, bro, just try out the framework. You'll see how fucking crazy it is. It's honestly amazing. We have spent like years building this. Like, if you look at the number of commits, I have literally pushed more than like I think like 3,000 commits. Just me.
They're asking if you can switch to auditoriums and try Discord's like the talk feature, like bring people on to talk.
But I want to be open and transparent. That's the whole point of this. Someone says lock them tokens, lock them up like Diddy.
Lock them up like Diddy, goddamn.
Yo, he's
That's
never
funny.
leaving jail, bro. That guy is cooked. Yo, this is hilarious, man. I feel like God is playing a joke on me right now. This is insane. I had no idea this was gonna happen.
Apparently someone just said that they paid Dex Screener for you to fix their shit.
Yo, if that's true, bro, that's amazing. I don't even know what to say.
I hate to tell you, but your token just got sold. You're at 29 mil now.
Yo, find out. Yo, whoever sold this, bro, give me their address. Bro, whoever sold this, man, yo, I'm gonna blast that motherfucker on Twitter. Guaranteed.
He's gonna tell everyone in the hood of SF to go look for this guy.
Dude, selling is so submissive and weak. It's like disgusting.
Someone asked you in the Twitter chat, the architecture looks a little bit like Eliza. What do you think of Eliza? Is Eliza one of the copy from you?
So we're not a competitor with Eliza. Eliza's fairly new, and I think they're just trying to like cash in on this like Web3 AI hype. But we've been building swarms for years. Okay, like there is so much functionality that we have that they don't have, but it's not a competition. Okay, it's a collaboration. You can integrate Eliza agents into swarms. Okay.
They want you to lock your tokens. They're trying to spread that you're avoiding the question to lock your tokens.
If you send me a tutorial on how to do that, I'll do it.
He's gonna laugh.
I just I
Sleeping
don't.
on release right now.
What? Yo, what happened to Drago and Elia? What the hell is this, bro? I've seen that question multiple times. Let me go over the page. People are asking about. Okay, man. Let me share my screen. Okay. Honestly, so to all the people on Twitter, this was not supposed to happen. I literally swear to God, none of this was planned. I could not be more serious. Somebody blew this shit up, blew this like completely out of proportion between before I could actually like launch this properly with the team. But basically, so the goal is to essentially power the agentic economy. Okay, so our vision is to provide a single decentralized infrastructure where you can post your agents, you can build agents, and get rewards for having agents that contribute beneficially to the economy, to the world economy. So, essentially, like our goal is to essentially provide a universal currency for all agent interactions. So you can have agents paying agents, you can pay agents, and there's also going to be a system where if you are building good agents and they're providing value to people and to organizations, then you will be rewarded for this. Okay, so within this agentic economy that we're essentially trying to build, by publishing your agents on the Swarms chain, you would be able to, well, first publish your agents publicly on a marketplace, so you can have all your agents discoverable, and then someone will essentially be able to search through all the possible agents, find your agent for a specific use case. Let's say like financial stock analysis, right? Like you want to analyze stocks, you'd be able to find your agent, and then they can call your agent's API, and then they would pay that in Swarms coin. So the goal is to essentially make Swarms coin the default and standard currency for all agentic usage across every agent platform, across every agent framework, ELIZA, Swarms, LangChain, every single agent framework. And that's essentially like the thesis. There's still like a lot of functionality that we plan to add, such as like, okay, if you want to build an agent and build a token associated with that agent, you would be able to do this. So you could create specific tokens tied to your agent, maybe even NFTs to validate that you created this agent. But I don't know enough about NFTs. That's really up to you guys. I want to make this process as open, as transparent as possible so that we build with the community. I think way too many companies don't build with the people. But the reason that we're doing this is to build with the people and to see what the people actually want. And so those are a couple of use cases on the platform. And yeah, so essentially, like in summary, like we're going to be providing, we're going to essentially build like an agentic economy and an agentic financial infrastructure to power the trillions of agents that are going to pop into existence within the next couple of months and years. So we're going to have a white paper come out pretty soon, probably tomorrow or the day after. I was still building it. I had, again, no idea this was going to happen. So it's mostly finished, but tomorrow or the day after, it will release. And that'll show off our vision, how we're going to do that. We've already built the infrastructure for everything that I'm talking about. We really just need to understand, like, what is the most efficient way of doing this, and in Web3, like how do you, like, essentially how do you put an agent on chain? How do you make a smart contract for that? And then how do you make this super fast and cheap and efficient to do on chain with millions of agents? So yeah, that's essentially kind of like an overview of the project. I thought you've been working on this for years. I have been working on this for years. If you check the like Swarm's GitHub framework. Someone said hit the vape again. People buy the coin when you do that. Actually, I started vaping very recently because it well, I don't know the validity of this, but it can probably help your like digestive system. I don't know if that's true, but that's why I do it now. I would not recommend this. All right, let's check the Discord. Okay, to lock your tokens, you need to utilize a burn and earn feature, which essentially locks your liquidity by burning the LP tokens associated with your
don't listen to that. Don't listen to that. Just go to the recent message. Go on the pink cell link.
Yeah, go to pink sale. That's what apparently is the way to do it. Because apparently Gemini AI has failed, and now the entire chat's roasting me for fucking screenshotting a Gemini response.
Why are people roasting you for that? Dude, it's insane how many people have joined this Discord today. I'm honestly like, this is incredible.
As a guy that's claiming Streamflow is like the Solana version of Pink Sale, and 99% of Solana devs use it, I have no idea if that's true.
That is fucking bullshit. Listen, I've been in crypto for fuck knows how long. I've never ever heard of Streamflow. Everyone uses Pink Cell. I don't know what.
But to be fair, if what he says is true, that's only Solana based. That would be why you don't hear of it. It's because
no, but listen, my brother. Yeah, any platform that locks tokens, there is no benefit.
I'm a dev on Solana.
Platform when it comes to locking tokens. Locking tokens is
Streamflow.
Tokens.
Okay,
Streamflow is the standard.
Opinions. There we go. There's a self-proclaimed Solana dev saying that Streamflow is the standard. It's the quote-unquote pink sale for Solana.
Yeah, Streamflow.finance. Check it out. Bonk used it to, for their vesting, for everything. Like every single fucking protocol uses it for vesting.
It doesn't matter. It's literally just locking tokens. It literally doesn't matter. Literally, I don't know why everyone's making this into a big deal. Just use any platform and lock it, brother.
So essentially, what people mean by like your tokens or like LP, one, there's the LP that you set up on Punt Fund or whatever. That's different. Your own personal wallet or whatever funds that you have yourself, people want you to like turn that into LP tokens. So pair it with whatever you have, I think Sol, and lock those tokens. That's the only way you could quote unquote lock your tokens. Only in LP format, I'm pretty sure. You can't like just lock in some wallet. Actually, no, there should be a way. Can't you send it to some smart contract wallet that only releases your token on a certain day?
Streamflow is it. That's the main purpose of Streamflow.
I thought Streamflow was just the LP platform as well.
No.
Okay.
That one is you send the token in, you set how long you want to lock it, when's your cliff, when is your linear vesting, and it does that for you, and then you can claim every day or something.
Okay. That's cool.
Does anybody have any recommendations on any form of functionality that you would want to see on the chain, particularly relating to agents?
Yeah, make sure it can do transactions. It knows all the different protocols. It can lend. It can interact with every single protocol that there's like that's popular on Solana. It should be able to snipe. It should be able to just bring up, content and data about a token or about people's holdings, everything like that.
You should really post the video link on your main Twitter, or even on the actual official Twitter of this video or stream.
What do you mean?
So like the stream that you're doing on Twitter, post that on the actual Swarm's official page.
Oh, okay, cool. I built an agent that can essentially analyze every single transaction on Ethereum and can basically provide you like a summary or a report on the transactions. So it's really, really cool. You could essentially analyze all traffic on Ethereum over a certain number of ETHs. So you say like 20 ETH, everything over 20 ETH, you make a report about it. And we'll probably do that with Solana as well.
Okay, what's good, man?
What's up, bro?
The fucking server was full earlier. I was trying to get my ass back in. Fuck.
Oh, well, nice that you're here.
Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? I saw what you did with the decks and shit. Congrats, man. You got it updated real quick.
Dude, I emailed the founder. I emailed their support team. I mean, dude, I tried everything.
Dope, man. Dope.
Yo, really quick, could we get like you to address the FUD and the other coins again, but someone record and then you can just put that
Bro.
on the actual official?
Bro, there is no other coins. Word of my mother.
Yeah, I
Word
know,
of
but
God.
if you look at the chat,
Look.
if you look at the chat, everyone joins and say, have you launched any other coins? So if you just
No,
officially address it.
No, man. No fucking coins, man. Only swarms. Swarms. Look at the contract address, swarms.world/swarm economy. That's it. There's nothing else. Okay. Everything else is fake. Propaganda. Damn, bro. The shit is crazy, man.
Hell yeah, it is, man. Fuck.
I think you know what's going on with the Zeta coin, the fake Zeta coin. I think people see the value in our tech and they're trying to profit off of that. Like they see how insane like Zeta is one of the simplest neural network frameworks that have ever been built. I have personally used Zeta in hundreds of my projects. The thing is though, there is no coin, there's no economic infrastructure around Zeta. Swarms is the only thing.
Yes, people are just coping. It's just cope.
Bro, that is fake propaganda, bro.
No, Zeta was actually launched by the group that did the community takeover on Dextrina, and then they posted it, so they all sniped it and rugged it. But yeah.
If there's any way to find out, can we find out who's doing this? I want to know who these people are, bro. I want to know.
It's multiple people, Kai. It's multiple people.
It's done on every single project, bro. Yeah.
No, bro. I want to get back to these people, bro. I want fucking vengeance. Fuck those people.
Oh, you're talking about the people making coins and shit.
Yeah, fuck those people, bro. They're trying to profit off of our work. Nah, fuck them.
It's so easy to make a token. Like even I could make one right now, man. Honestly, a lot of people are really trying to make money off of what you're building.
Bro, the only way to make money is by providing value. Okay, you cannot make money if you do not provide value. It's simple. That's economics. I'm not here for the short term. I'm here for fucking ever, for the long term. You feel me? I'm tired as fuck and I'm still here with you guys. Well, Zeta is not me, bro. That's not us.
Yo, so you don't have to repeat the question. If you literally just write on your official Twitter page,
yeah,
the only coin launched is, let's say, Swarms, you will literally kill out all of the people falling for it. But yeah.
Yeah, and if you could post on the Swarm's Twitter, not on your personal.
All right.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
All right, what do you want
And
me
just
to
pin
say?
that message at the top. Just mention that the only coin actually launched by you is the Swarms token, and then pin it.
But the thing is, though, don't you think if we like start putting attention on these fake coins, people will start looking at them? I'm afraid that will that will actually do harm if we like
I think
publicize.
the only thing at the moment, the reason why people are falling for it, because the community takeover Twitter was posted, and they were pretending to be you, and said, "Hey, we've created a new token based on our AI agent," and then so many people fell for it. But yeah.
Okay, man. They're asking for verification. Fuck. Okay. All right, bro. I'll put the contract address on Twitter, man. Jesus Christ.
It's putting it on Twitter. Yeah, welcome to crypto. You're now a dev that's expected to stay awake 24/7 to answer FUD and keep your chart looking healthy. You answer to the people now. You no longer have a life. You can't
I'm
get
okay
a
with this.
girlfriend because you're not a true degen. If you do,
I'm
welcome
okay
to
with
crypto.
this.
If you celebrate Christmas, you got to get people got a comment saying that you left the project.
We
Bro.
go see family and friends. Like if you take even like an hour away from crypto, there's gonna be fun everywhere.
Bro, look at me, bro. I'm still here. Look, I'm exhausted right now.
If you don't sleep on stream, people will think that you're rugging.
Yeah, it's not
Dude, yo, the stream has like 18,000 views, bro. That's insane. On Twitter.
You have the time to. Can you add a Discord bot that just anytime they see A, it just posts the contract after the official one? Because they have that in Telegram. It's quite useful. But yeah, people are like continuing to ask, is this the official token or whatever? I think they're confused because on DexScreener, the token address is correct. The token's not a scam. But what was a scam is they hijacked the Twitter. They made a fake Twitter and claimed, and DexScreener listed that Twitter instead. It's not the official Twitter. And that Twitter might have had like other token contract addresses or something like that. That's the problem with it. It's not that the token contract address is wrong. Although there are fake ones now. Like there's a guy that's trying to put a fake one, I think, like in Discord or something. Like, are you sure you didn't make this one too? The market cap's like 50K.
Okay, so I posted it. I posted it on the official Swarms Twitter, which is x.com/swarms_corp. Okay, that is the only official. Swarms Twitter. Everything else is fake. Damn, man. Fuck.
No, I want to really advise you, like, change your haircut ASAP. Because you will get memed.
Yo, can I like give you swarms to pay for a haircut? No, I'm kidding.
Yo, actually,
Swarms-
actually, I would
Wait.
honestly.
Wait,
Though,
for a burst fade, bro.
change your Twitter.
Haircut's good, Mark.
Yo, honestly, if you were to send me Swarms, I probably would cut my hair a little bit. I don't know too much though, because
you can only use Swarm AI agents to cut your hair, though. Like everything you do now has to
I'll
be
send
used.
you the amount of swarms. I'll send you the amount of swarms for what clip to use on your shaver. Okay, so I'll give you one swarm for you to go for number one, all around.
God.
all right, man. Yo, I'm gonna send you my Swarms address. Fuck, bro. This is crazy, man. Just literally like 6-7 hours ago, I was here by myself. Now there's like 25 people just in the chat.
Oh.
There was 25 people in the chat, and now there's like 15,000 people on Twitter.
The other thing is people suggest, I do recommend this. You're gonna have to suck Elon's for Twitter, and then also you'll have the ability to pin tweets. So you should pin that tweet, the official contract address tweet that you just made.
Yo,
That way it doesn't get buried by other tweets that you make.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that.
But, yeah.
Okay, so you know what?
You
There's,
participate in the never mind, you go.
oh, so there's a lot of people ask me the same questions: white paper, economics, tokenomics. Okay, to address that concern and that question, I'm gonna make a video tomorrow, a pretty extensive video, on why I'm doing this at all, why we're doing this. A couple of times now, and it's kind of late. It's like 12 o'clock in California right now. And I'm getting kind of tired. So again, I had no
Yeah,
idea.
Kai. The thing is, the reason people ask for a white paper and all this stuff is because people are lazy and they want more accessible format. So, I mean,
Dude,
maybe
this
use
was
one of your
not
AI
even-
agents to take your video and just like condense it into a PDF and call it a white paper.
No, dude, we have to do things properly. But I understand.
Devin's going to sleep.
I'm going to be honest with you. If you even just do some minor research into swarms in our GitHub and you see what we built, it's fake. It's just a bunch of propaganda. Okay. There's nothing better to invest in than swarms. That's it. Period. But this is fun. I enjoy having people that can talk shit about my haircut and compare me to fucking Sam Bankman. Jesus Christ!
Come on, you have to see why we talk about that, bro.
Jesus Christ!
That was the first thing I noticed, and I bought more. I was like, oh,
Yeah, bro. Just do some research.
he was a
man.
great dev.
Do
To be
some
honest.
research, bro. Do not just buy stuff for the sake of buying stuff, man. That's how you're gonna lose money. You gotta be smart.
People will.
You have to have an agent financial advisor. But yeah, honestly, get yourself a financial advisor, an agent. An agent is definitely probably a much better financial advisor than a human one. Agent doctors are already much better than actual human doctors. And there was actually a really good paper written about that. There was a research paper written on how a fully autonomous hospital is much better than actual human hospital. Very, very interesting research. Let's see what else.
People were comparing you to SBF, but I thought Wet Bandits from Home Alone.
What was that?
Wait, Life and John wants to ask you a question. Yeah, put your webcam on, Lifer.
It is on. He's been asking.
Yeah, my face has been on this whole time.
No. Some John. He wants to ask you stuff. The Life for John guy.
Oh, what's up, man?
Yeah, we're listening.
Dev said AI doctors is better than human doctors. So, yo, why are people calling me Dev, man? I'm Kai, bro.
They call you Dev because you're the developer, bro. It's crypto lingo.
Oh, that's cool then. I'm the Dev, I guess.
And now he's gonna say he's a base dev. And he's gonna ask me what based means. Oh god. But yeah, bro, if you ever want to hang out because you in the Bay, let me know. drop your addy. I won't dox you and give it to people, but I definitely want to meet the quote unquote legitimate Sam Bankman-Fried.
Yo, if you do that, bro, I'll send my drones after you. They're already in New Jersey, so don't fuck around, man.
Your drone. Oh.
You know what? Actually, though, I actually tried to build. I started building a model the other day, kind of like a multimodality transformer model that can basically take an input from multiple drones and control them. So it would essentially like I don't know if the drones in New Jersey right now are being piloted by humans, but with this model that I was trying to make, you could have it fully autonomous. Like
So swarm.
yeah, a swarm for drones. Drone swarm GPT.
So someone's gonna make that meme coin, right? Drone swarm GPT.
Yo, I don't know where all this volume is coming in from, bro. That's honestly insane. Some guy just said
We can
85 million of buy volume. What the hell?
You could probably check. It's on Deck Screener. Let me check really quickly if most of it is botted volume or not. Well, at least this particular wallet doesn't look botted. Oh wait, what? Oh, how did he get?
Yo, honestly, what's going on right now in New Jersey is actually horrifying. Like, I want to know actually who's doing that. It's not. I don't think it's the government. I don't think it's anybody in America. I'm actually like really concerned on who it is. Have you guys been hearing about the drones in New Jersey?
I mean, I've heard of it. I've heard a lot of memes. I couldn't care less about the drones in New Jersey, like because it's not California. So like, why would I care?
There are drones in California. You understand? Like there are drones in California right now.
And I mean, I haven't been killed yet, so
yeah, maybe a good point.
Didn't they make it illegal to fly drones, like personal drones now, in certain areas?
Right, but the problem here is that the government, these are probably government drones, and so that's why people are pointing out the hypocrisy. It's like, why the fuck are these drones? First off, why are they here? And second off, it's like, why are they allowed to be here?
Bro, that's I honestly do not think it's the American government. The American government would not be so stupid to do this on homeland. I think it might be. So the only other country that has many drones is Iran. Iran has many drones. They have factories just for drones. It could be them. I don't know if it's actually them. But I'm just saying. It's honestly a horrifying. Like it's a very horrifying situation.
And Dev is religious, technical knowledge, and conspiracy theorist.
No, dude, this is not a conspiracy theorist, bro. They're people in New York right now, in New Jersey, are like concerned, bro. Even the mayor of the city, like even if the FBI is calling on like Congress to like figure out who the hell is doing this.
Oh, your token just got listed on a centralized exchange.
Are you serious?
Yeah, Mex. It's not Coinbase, so relax. But it's MEXC. You can check the general Discord chat. They like to buy a bunch of tokens and list on their exchange.
Oh damn! I don't think you could use them in America because I just tried.
No, but that's what you have AI agents, right? You're just gonna use swarm of agents to trade crypto for you.
If they have an API, you could do that. You just you just need they need an API. Yo, that's insane, bro. Yo, I'm gonna send an email right now to Brian Armstrong and tell him to list swarms. It might not work, but we'll see. I'm gonna email him right now. All right.
Wait, Americans can use Mexi. I didn't know that.
Dude, no, I just tried going there. I can't even log in.
He must be with VPN then.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, one of the users in here, name is Counter. He put in the Discord voice chat or whatever. He said if you have questions about Solana specific stuff, he's a founder of a DeFi protocol. So like, he's your go-to guy.
Yeah, yo, please DM me or like tell me who it is, because so many people have been DMing me that I don't know what's going on, man. Honestly. So DM me and let me know, and that would be very, very much appreciated.
I think some people were asking you to turn off the lives so the token stops dumping. It's so funny.
Nah, bro, I'm too sexy. It's only pumping because my face is so beautiful.
Your face looks like Sam Bankman-Fried, bro. That's why it's dumping. Oh, God.
Bro, anybody who sells right now is just really, really dumb. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, you probably have an IQ less than like 30. Just ridiculous. Yo, that's actually crazy, bro. Yo, Swarms got listed on, what is it, L Bank? Is that how you say it?
I don't know what L Bank is, bro.
Yo, that's crazy, yo. Dude, that's insane, man. Yo, Twitter, look at this, bro. I don't know what's going on, man. Yo, that's crazy, bro. And also Mex. I don't know who Mex is, but yo, chat, are they legit? Are these people legit or
Next is legit. Yeah.
Nex? Okay, Nex is legit. Mex? But they're not an American company, I'm assuming, right?
Probably.
No, you got to use a VPN, but a lot of Americans use them. You should retweet them.
Oh, cool. The coin went from 200K to 40 million. That's 200x in 2.5 hours. Dude, and I like, again, I don't know why people are selling. You have to be really, really stupid to short this technology. Like,
you can't even short it. They're just taking profits.
Bro,
once you get onto a centralized exchange and they leverage stuff, then they'll be shorting.
Bro, I
You sell, you're shorting.
Holy shit. You have 347 Discord friend requests? That's insane.
Yeah, dude.
Careful you don't max that out, bro. Discord only has 1K.
Yeah.
Oh, essentially.
I want you to keep talking about swarms, like the token.
Yo, that's insane, bro. Yo, we're starting to take over, bro. This is a complete takeover of the world economy.
Is this what God put you on the planet for?
Probably. I don't know. People want me to talk about the tech, man, but it's so late. This was not supposed to happen again for at least like two days.
It was. It was always supposed to happen right now. Sorry, bro.
Yeah, you're probably right, man. If you want to check out how Swarms, the framework, actually works, I suggest you go to docs.swarms.world, and you can check out all the different swarms that we have. We have different swarms for different use cases. So basically, like there's different ways of aligning these agents, and the communication between them is essentially the most important thing, right? Like each of these individual agents can have whatever LLM or whatever agent framework you want within them, but we focus on enabling them to communicate together reliably so they can actually work together and kind of simulate and match, if not completely surpass the capabilities of humans. So the goal is to essentially enable agents to become fully autonomous and collaborative. ChatGPT is nice and all. Yes, it's pretty cool, but the future is having AI agents that can work together. That is how they could do multiple things at a time, because ChatGPT can only do one thing at a time. Okay, that is the entire thesis. And so by having a swarm, what you can do is you can do multiple things at one time. Okay, you can do many things at a time, depending on however many agents you have. If you have 50,000 agents, you can do 50,000 different things at once. Analyze this stock, buy that stock, monitor your portfolios, build agents for radiology. We have a really good radiology swarm that we're starting to productionize. And essentially, like this swarm basically makes it super fast and super cheap to diagnose patients with X-ray data, images, videos, anything. And essentially, like what it does is you have like multiple agents that will essentially work together sequentially. And so sequential workflow is another architecture where the agents will communicate to each other sequentially. So the input is a task such as like diagnose this patient. Then you could also give it like medical history, and then you give it an image. And so you run the swarm, you have an image analyst specialist, you have a radiological diagnostician, intervention planner, quality assurance specialist, and then you get a full diagnosis. And then after that, you can also get a full treatment report for that x-ray. So whatever condition this person has, you can get like a full report on the diagnosis and also get a treatment plan. And so this is an example of kind of like a production grade medical swarm that a hospital or a big data provider would use to start automating the analysis of x-rays. Because as of right now, like there's a pretty big shortage of well, I don't even think I'm sharing my screen on Discord. Oh damn, that wasn't. Yo, let me know if you could see my screen, Discord.
Easy.
Cool. So yeah, I sent the GitHub link in the chat. Basically, like you can run this right now. You just put your API key for OpenAI. We're probably going to replace OpenAI because I don't like OpenAI, and we're probably going to use Claude. Claude is better for like visual reasoning tasks. And so this is like an example of like a swarm that could potentially save not only millions of lives, but it could also just radically accelerate the number of patients that are analyzed and diagnosed. I personally gone to the dentist and also just like general doctor checkups, and these people don't even diagnose you. They don't say what you have. They just try and sell you treatments. And that's essentially like how the medical system works now. And a big reason why that happens is because there's actually like a massive shortage of radiologists right now. Like we're missing tens of thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands of radiologists. And so you can entirely mitigate this entire process if you have agents that do this. This is essentially like a pretty valuable application of swarms that is already starting to help people right now, today, saving lives and just making it cheaper for hospitals. Like so if an agent, if you're running these 5 agents takes, let's say like 30 seconds, and they help you save almost 100 times what it would cost to pay a human radiologist, and it also helps save human lives. So this is an example of one of my personal favorite applications of swarms, and yeah, like this is an example of like building medical agents. I think is going to radically like just completely change the entire industry, because the reason why medical costs are so high is because doctors have to go through almost 10 years of school before they can start being deployed into the workforce. Okay, and that's a problem because now you go to 10 years of school, almost guaranteed you're going to want a lot of money for that, right? Like you're not going to go to 10 years of school and just be paid nothing. So the reason why the medical system is the costs are inflated, especially within America, is because there's a shortage of doctors, there's a shortage of radiologists, and unfortunately, that's why people are not getting the care that they need right now in America, and that's probably how it's going in other countries as well. And so, like an example, like this worm right here could potentially save millions of lives just in itself. I'm working on other swarms right now for dermatology, which is called DermaSwarm. And so the DermaSwarm would essentially take an image, like it would take an image of any skin condition, and it would essentially analyze that. And then there's multiple agents that are specialized for every type of dermatology. So you have a medical dermatology agent, you have a surgical dermatology agent, cosmetic, pediatric, dermatology, immunodermatology, Mohs surgery, like essentially like building an entire team of dermatologists just to help one patient and analyze that patient in less than 30 seconds.
Are you open to topics and questions?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so how does the energy efficiency in running agent swarms compare on the energy compute side compared to like chain of thought? We already know that it's we need a lot more energy at inference time for chain of thought, and the comparison of this and how much energy it uses comparatively, different strategies.
Are you asking like how much energy does an agent consume?
I'm asking how much energy a swarm consumes relative to trying to solve problems with chain of thought.
So that's a really good question. So the energy that it takes to do that. So well, it depends what is the underlying LLM within it, like what is the agent composed of. So every agent is not just an LLM, it holds an LLM within it. It's kind of like the brain of the agent. So the vast majority of energy expenditure within an agent is mostly centralized in the LLM that you're using. For example, if you're using API like OpenAI's API, I don't know how big their model is. To determine the energy expenditure from the agent would require you to know how big OpenAI's model is. Does that make sense? But if you're just calling the API, the energy expenditure is very low on your end. Maybe on the LLM provider's end, it's much more extensive because they have to pay the compute providers, Amazon, Azure, to essentially they're essentially paying them for the compute. And the number of like the memory consumption that it takes for an LLM to generate tokens. So that's why you see like if you look at like pricing for LLMs like OpenAI, the input tokens are generally much cheaper than the output tokens because it's cheaper to ingest tokens than it is to generate them. Generating them is very expensive because of just the architecture of transformer models.
Yeah.
So
well, let me try and reframe it real quick. I see agents as a parallel architecture where you've got many agents working in parallel, if not in different levels of hierarchy, but in a swarm with each other, versus chain of thought, the way that they're trying to solve. A lot of people in the field that think we can crack new math and new science by essentially just scaling chain of thought and letting it think for a long time. Now, those use different levels of energy consumption, but in the parallel example, which is an agent swarm and an agent approach to solving a problem, I was curious if that uses relatively more energy at a system level, I guess.
Yes, it would because you're sending one task to multiple agents at a time. So like, and they're all gonna complete their. You give them one task, they'll all do their task, and they're all activated. So within other swarms, like the hierarchical swarm, not every agent is going to be active. Maybe only 2 or 3 at a time. You can define which ones communicate with each other, but in essence, like in a higher, it depends really what swarm you're using. The parallel swarm is generally the most costly one in terms of price, energy, because you're running like you can run any number of agents at a time, right? So if you're hosting these models locally, you wouldn't be able to, like, it depends what computer or what server you have. Like on a MacBook, generally you can only really run like maybe one Llama 3 or 7B on your computer. So, and that would take up your entire computer. So I don't even think you could do parallel on one, like locally, having a model like actually on your computer. If you were calling like the OpenAI API, you could potentially have thousands just on a MacBook. The sequential one is also very cheap to run in energy because basically like what's happening is only one agent is being run at a time. So the first agent will go, it will send its output to the second agent, then the third agent, then the fourth agent. And so only really one of them is working at a time. So it really depends like what problem you're trying to solve. But generally speaking, like parallel is more expensive. Hierarchical is semi expensive. Sequential is not that expensive.
In sequential, is it looping in the same way that a chain of thought calls on itself? Or is it different models that are role playing differently and passing the task off between each other?
So it could be both. So within this agent, there could be a certain number of loops. Okay. So if you go to the Swarm's GitHub, you can actually define how many loops one agent will loop with itself. So here you can specify like, okay, I want this agent to loop 50 times, 10 times. And then that's kind of like chain of thought. But and then each of these agents can have their own chains of thoughts at the same time. Does that make sense? Like within each agent, totally. there can be a certain number of chains. So there can be any number of chains at a time. And then there's other swarm architectures as well. Like there's a spreadsheet swarm, which basically is like concurrent, but it saves your outputs to a CSV. So you can see all the agent executions on a CSV file. There's also mixture of agents, which is both sequential and parallel at the same time. And then we have a couple of other ones as well. We have a mesh, grid, pyramid, Fibonacci, prime, power, sigmoid, which is kind of similar. You have a sinusoidal. And then there's like different swarms and different like architectures. But you can customize how they like execute with the agent rearrange. So within this one, you can define exactly the flow that you want. So you can say like if you have an accounting director, and this is an accounting swarm, you can have that agent like talk to the account 1, account 2, and you can run them sequentially or in parallel. So you just put an arrow sign, or if you put a comma sign. So a comma sign means parallel within agent rearrange. And so you could run 2 agents at a time with a comma sign. And then you can say like, okay, these 2 agents are going to send their outputs to the director. And then you can like build a massive chain of different agents talking to each other exactly how you wish.
So another question that came up is, could you use different agents where they check each other, but say one agent has data or information that you don't want the rest of the system to know? Could you use a single agent to find an output, give an output, and just give an output to allow the other agents to figure out, manipulate, and solve with that data?
Say it again.
What you were just explaining, is it something that you could use in the concept of gatekeeping a little bit of data or user information that needs to stay private, that only one agent would have access to, and would provide an output that the rest of the swarm can work with effectively, while also maintaining privacy standards for whatever the data that one agent is gatekeeping, so to speak. If I'm completely out of the ballpark, let me know.
I mean, we could try building this right now and see if it works. I personally have not. I have not tried to build something like that, but that's a pretty interesting idea. Something that I like doing for the sake of simplicity, like when you're building a swarm, what I like doing is you can take an example from you take an example from the swarm's repo, and then you can have another agent build out this entire application for you. So you can say like you could do something like, okay, specialize this agent to let's say do you have a more in-depth example, like what type of data?
Let's say we made like an AI dating service, but you wanted to keep the user's privacy of how many relationships or how many people they've been with for the sake of their privacy, but you need to also know how experienced they are with other people to subjectively predict who the best partner would be. It's not the best, simplest example, but it's what I thought of that applies to both.
Can you send me this in the chat so I have like So yeah, what I like doing is I take an example of like from the Swarm's GitHub, and then I basically I'll basically have Claude like build out a demo of whatever application that I want, because especially like this is a pretty good workflow, because especially like if you want to have like real-time APIs, like building custom data APIs for things is really hard. So Claude can make the prompts for you. Building prompts is mostly a waste of time because of how hard it is. So I would suggest like having Claude or another agent build your agents is a very simple way to like start building pretty good agentic applications. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
All right, yeah. If you could send me like a description of the use case, I'll build it out for you, and we could see if it works right now.
Dreams their best.
So this is how I'll typically start off building a swarm. I'll essentially create like a prototype or a demo with Claude, because it'll build the prompts for me. Building prompts is very hard, and I still have not met a lot of good prompt engineers. But something very interesting is that humans are actually, agents are actually really good at building prompts for other agents. So that's typically like what I recommend starting off with. So this is the swarm that it made. We have a couple of agents. We have 3 agents. We have a matchmaker agent, profile analyzer, connection facilitator. And these are like how the agents are built. You can build an agent with a name, a prompt, the LLM, max loops, model, dashboard. Like you can give your agent a bunch of settings And then you could also save like the agent's output to a JSON file. So yeah. So if we run this, we should see it. But yeah, did you send the doc?
Yeah, I'm just correcting it right now. Cleaning it up.
Cool.
Here we go. This is a better use case. I just put that in the chat. You can optimize that, but I think it gets the point across. They would have to gatekeep the health score so that the system itself can determine the total health of the patient based on all the data weights, but you would need to gatekeep the patient name with storing it only with that agent so that the rest of the swarm doesn't know, so that you can protect their privacy and the healthcare companies can't price gouge if you're in bad health.
Okay, cool. So I'll take exactly what you sent me and I'll give it an example from the repo, and then it'll build out a well, actually no, I'm gonna give it some, say add XML tags into the system prompts of the agents. So if you tell an agent like build a really good prompt for whatever agent that you're trying to build, it'll do really good. So you just have to say like make the system prompt extensive, make it precise, give clear instructions, and if you do that, like the prompt that the agent makes will be really good.
I cannot believe that any of these companies have not yet made a plugin feature for saving and caching prompts just to plug them in on the fly.
So something that we plan to doing with the coin is that we essentially want to have like, we want to put like, we want to make prompts like you'll be able to post your prompt and maybe even sell it. And you could also make it private, so it could store as kind of like a prompt storage, like an easy place to store your prompts. And or you can also sell your prompts and exchange
You
it
guys
for.
talking about a Swarm token?
Yes.
Swarm native. Okay.
So it's building the agents. The most important thing in building agents is giving it a really good system prompt. If you have a really good prompt, it'll do really well. If you do not have a good prompt, then I mean, yeah, it's probably not going to work. So this is what you'll see. Like this is the agent outputs, or this is what you see like when you start like running the agents in the terminal. So if we go here and we make a new file, say, and generally the more specific you are, the better it'll be. If you're very vague, then like it probably will not work. So you have to be a little bit precise. But you can have another agent like Claude make it precise for you. You don't have to like build the actual prompt.
So is there like any philosophical curiosity as you allow your mind to think in this way of how do you build the perfect, how does the creator create, right? Because ideally we'll have swarms that make better agents than us.
Yes. Well, I think the most important thing is having a really like understanding the problem that you're trying to solve. Like what problem are you trying to actually solve? Once you know that, like, and you have a deep understanding of the problem, then you can essentially like you can reverse engineer what type of agents and what those agents will need to do those things. But you need to specialize those agents for those problems. So the agents are running now. To ensure effective processing, go here too. Okay, so to make this a little bit more let me see if I could do something. Let's make this. So you see, it's like building the prompts and everything, and it's building the agents that we asked for. Let's see. Are you actively trying to build like an agentic application?
Just curious.
Interesting. Well, this is actually a very interesting use case because I've never seen this. But typically, what you could do is so we built this framework called MedGuard, and it essentially was like we're trying to make it like a HIPAA compliant framework where you can like if you can give it an agent, and then you can essentially like you can block out the information that another agent is going to use from it. But that's mostly like medical information, like the name, like address, maybe like a condition.
Yeah. The use case of withholding information only spawned in my head when you were going over the visuals of the different swarm types. You had like 10 different swarm architectures, and I don't know which one it was, but it was one of them.
Interesting. So if you see here, this is the main task of the swarm. It says begin a medical consultation where the patient has a health score of 72, but is reluctant to share full details about their lifestyle and medication history. The doctor needs to gather accurate information while the nurse observes the interaction.
Okay.
So I'm going to send this code so that you guys can try it out.
It's like, man.
As is. Fucking also pace was it good? It was alright. Still, I got more than I expected, but it was alright.
To get started with swarms, I probably should have gone over this earlier.
You see that week that you was off? Did you get paid for that or not?
I was depressed.
Yo, who's talking right now? So to download swarms on your computer locally, in Python, all you have to do is just do type 3. You just paste pip3 install swarms, and then you'll get swarms, and that's pretty much it. So once you download swarms, now you can actually start building your swarms. The only other setup other than that is building like setting your keys for whatever model you're going to use. So in this case, I'm using OpenAI, but you could also use Anthropic. So you can say Anthropic API key. You could also do Cohere. And yeah, but long-term speaking, I would not advise using OpenAI because generally they're not a trustworthy organization anymore. So, but they still do have some good models. Their models are pretty good, but I would honestly suggest like mostly using Claude, and maybe maybe Cohere. And Ollama is also pretty cool because everything essentially like runs locally. So these people are also cool. You could also use Ollama with swarms, and yeah. Did you see the code?
Which am I unmuted? Oh, which channel did you put it in again?
Just general. I just dropped the code below. Yeah. I want to show you guys another really cool swarm that we built. It's called Fluid API. And so the way that APIs work now is that you essentially need to give them, either like a like you have to give them either like JSON or XML, and then you need to like manually configure like you need to manually configure the request. But if you use a Fluid API, all you have to do is just give it natural language, and you can essentially like make any API request in natural language. It's really, really useful, and you basically just like you just say exactly what you want, and it makes an API request for you. You don't have to like make the actual request. So you literally just give it like, let me go to the simple example. You say just generate an API request, and then you can give it the website or you can give it the documentation for the API, and then it'll make the API request for you. So if I run this to use this, all you have to do is you do pip3 install Fluid API, Fluid API agents. It'll download, and then you run this, and you'll essentially see like the output. So again, we're just literally giving it natural language, and it's going to make an API request. It's going to make the request for you. So you saw, boom, it's already done. You don't have to like this is what you would have had to make to send an API request. But the agent, this swarm will essentially do that for you automatically. You don't have to do anything. You just tell it in natural language what it is that you want, and it just does it for you. So here we said get a random cat fact, and it says the heaviest cat on record is Himi, a tabby from Queensland, Australia. He weighed nearly 47 pounds, and he died at the age of 10. That's kind of sad, but you know what? We can even try. We can even try getting the price of swarms. I wonder if it could do that. Let's see. What was the exchange that what was the exchange that was listed? Did these people have like API? Or just I wonder if Dex. Oh wow. Okay. Get the latest boosted tokens. Get the latest token profiles. Token address. Yeah, let's see if this works. I'll be very surprised that this works. So in the case that the swarm doesn't know what API you're trying to call, essentially what you can do is you can give it documentation, so it has context into the entire into the API that you're trying to use. Let me search for. Yeah, okay, that didn't work. Okay, so in that okay, so latest boosted tokens. What does boosted mean on Dex? URL, string address, icon. Okay, we can probably do this. So we're just gonna copy this, and we're gonna give it documentation. I love the art. All right. Now we just got to get the token address. Yo, if this works, I'll be so happy. Does this need an API key? I don't think so. Oh wait, no, I didn't even put the docs in. Okay. Documentation, docs. Okay, so this is how you do it. You basically just give a text of the API, and then it'll make an API request that is fitted for that. So we'll run this again. Yeah, okay. That's not working. We could try something else, like let's get the current price of ETH. Nozzle. Yo, the price is at 180 right now, bro. Damn, that's crazy. So yeah, basically I literally just said, let's get the current price of Solana from CoinGecko API, and it made the request, and it gave us the price. So we could also do this with what's another coin? Say just BTC. So the idea of this is to essentially radically transform how APIs are sent, because most APIs have to have a very strict format, otherwise they won't work. And that's I think that's a waste of time. But with Fluid API, you could do that very easily. You just say exactly in natural language what it is that you want, and then it'll make an API request on your behalf. And it says that the current price of Bitcoin is $95,105. So, yeah, this is another pretty all right, bro. Yeah. All right, yo. I think I'm gonna go to sleep now. This was really fun, and hope you guys had fun. We'll probably be dropping the white paper tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And I'll also be going live tomorrow as well. So stay in tune, and do not sell. Never sell. You'll probably lose a lot of money, and yeah.
Hi, just one last question. The Fluid API. Sorry, where would you access that?
Yeah, so it's on GitHub. I'll send the GitHub link in the general chat, and yeah, so that's publicly accessible, and you just need to pip install the package. You just download the package, and then you can use it.
And I'm sorry, one more question, boss.
Yeah.
I saw that you're building something called Zeta. and I'm just wondering what it is. Like, I know it's outside talk of this.
Yeah. Okay, so
like, if possible, but like,
yeah. Okay, so Zeta is a neural network framework that I essentially built to help me create transformer models, new AI model architectures very, very easily. So building models like transformer models, the models that power ChatGPT, is very difficult. So I've made it so like you can do you know attention? Have you ever heard of attention?
yeah.
So yeah, you can essentially like use attention in like 10 lines of code. Like you can build your own models if you understand like so we've essentially like Legofied neural network engineering. So all you have to do is literally understand like what Legos you need, like to build transformers. You need attention, then you need a feed forward, and then you just combine those two. And so essentially the goal of the Zeta framework is to basically make it so easy to build neural nets, like extremely advanced neural nets that you don't even have to think about it. It's just super simple.
Oh, all right. Thank you very much, bro. Appreciate you.
I'll send the link in the chat. If you want to look at the docs, I haven't updated the docs in a long time because it takes a whole team to do that. So the framework though is pretty updated, and most of the models that I built, like the all new foundation models, are essentially built using Zeta. And so Zeta is just a very easy way of building neural networks. PyTorch, if you are you familiar with PyTorch?
Not as much. Like, I just like really trying to learn coding myself. So, I started like about 2-3 months ago. So I'm not really as much of a person that have that much knowledge.
Oh, I see. So PyTorch, so the best neural networks right now and the best AI models in the world are powered by mostly powered by PyTorch. So have you heard of Llama? Have you heard the Llama model from Facebook Meta? Maybe not. So basically Meta is the one that created PyTorch. PyTorch is like
Oh my God. Did you hear what I said? I said no. I did not.
Oh no. Okay, so essentially Llama is one of the most popular, if not the most popular, open source LLM. And so Meta is essentially the creator of PyTorch. PyTorch is a very easy way of building AI models, any type of AI model, and it essentially just has a bunch of math, because AI models at the end of the day are just a bunch of math. Yeah, so basically we use PyTorch and Zeta, and we just make it super simple to use.
All right.
Yeah, so if you check out, I would suggest go to pytorch.org and just like read the docs, check it out. And you'd also read about Llama 3. Llama 3 is like open source models ever. It's not the best. And that's actually how Llama 3 is built. Llama 3 was built using PyTorch. At the end of the day, PyTorch is just math.
So, all right. Thank you very much, Kyle.
Yeah,
appreciate you for this.
Yeah, appreciate it. All right, brothers. See you soon. Quite tired, but I do enjoy you spending time with me on the Discord. And yeah, I'll be posting the white paper and a video tomorrow, explaining everything. This came out of surprise. I had honestly no idea this was going to happen, and yeah, but tomorrow things will be good. So have a good night, and see you soon.
Later, dude.
Peace out, brother. Oh wow, damn! Twitter's going crazy. 23,000. Wow. Well, thank you everyone for joining on Twitter, YouTube. I hope you guys learned something and had fun. Actually, be kicking things off. And yeah, so stay. I'm gonna post a YouTube video explaining the entire concept, the white paper, and everything. And yeah, thanks for joining.